In the last video, we reached Helsinki and made our way to Tallinn, where we witnessed the beautiful cobblestone streets and medieval buildings which are one of the best preserved in the whole Europe. At night, we also went on a small trail to discover this beautiful place. Now we are well rested, it is a beautiful morning and we are checking out from Helsinki and heading to Sweden. But before taking our cruise, we are going to explore all of the famous places here. So in today's itinerary, we have lots of things to discover. After taking out our luggage, we had our breakfast, which was a complimentary continental breakfast included in the hotel charges. And now we are heading to the Senate Square. However, we made a quick stop for the iconic Sibelius Monument. Sibelius Monument by Aila Hiltunen is dedicated to the Finnish composer Jean Sibelius and is made of welded steel with over 600 pipes and with the bust of the composer on one side. Take a moment to walk around and you will discover that the sculpture changes shape and perspective much like the music itself. From every angle, it tells a different story, inviting you to interpret its meaning in your own way. It is definitely worth a quick visit if you are on a bus tour or you are in the neighborhood. Since this is located a bit outside the city, so you can skip it since you may not want to come all the way just for this. Next, we make our way to the historic Senate Square. The Senate Square and its surroundings form a unique example of neoclassical architecture. The square is dominated by four buildings designed by Carl Ludwig: Helsinki Cathedral, the Government Palace, the main building of University of Helsinki, and the National Library of Finland. The statue of Alexander II stands in the middle of the Senate Square. The Helsinki Cathedral is arguably Finland's most famous and photographed building, and if you are coming here in winters, you are going to witness a lively Christmas market. It has great cafes and overall it is a really good place to enjoy a meal, and for me it was definitely worth a visit here. Leaving the city center, we are off on a picturesque journey to the charming town of Porvoo. Nestled along the serene Porvoo river, this enchanting town is a step back in time, and with its cobblestone streets and colorful doll houses, it is a perfect day trip from the Finnish capital. You can't get lost here, so just roam around and explore. More than you know. Every corner has a surprising view or a quirky shop. And make sure you search out for Brunberg chocolates, which is the Finland's most oldest sweet factory. At last we are here at the Rock Church, the most interesting church in Helsinki. It is hard to imagine how a solid rock can be built into a church inside, and the entrance of the church is designed as a tunnel. Inner wall is still the original rock. You only need 30 minutes to explore the whole church, and it is definitely worth a visit if you are an architectural buff. And there you have it, the vibrant city of Helsinki, a blend of culture, history and modernity. I hope you enjoyed exploring it with me. It is time for us to bid farewell, but our journey doesn't end here. Remember, I told you now we are setting sail on an overnight cruise to Sweden. The promise of new adventures and breathtaking views awaits us. So be sure to join me in the next vlog as we embark on this incredible voyage across the Baltic Sea.